Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will show you how to change a picture to cinematic view or how to change this picture to this one. This is the first picture and this is the final picture. At the end of this video you will be able to create this cinematic picture yourself. First of all, you need to open one picture. Click on File, Open, select one picture, open it, right click on the layer, duplicate layer, select OK from here, change it from normal to overlay. You can see the change here. Filter, other, high pass. (42) is okay. Select OK. Change the opacity. This is okay. Now click on this eye to see the change. This is the change that we have brought now. Click here, select vibrance from here. You can bring many changes here. You can see the changes yourself. Vibrance should be 0. Double click on layers. Click here. Select gradient from here. Bring it here to see the change. Click here on styles and change the style to radial. Click on reverse to reverse it and change the scale from 100 to 150 here. This is okay. It looks very good. Select OK. Click here, select gradient map, double click on the layers, decrease the opacity and see how much you want. 36 is okay. Let's see what change is brought here. Click on the eye to see the change here. Click here, select gradient map, click here, select this one, click here, double click and change the color. See which color you want or see the color that looks the best here. Then select OK. See the colors, compare it yourself. Select OK, OK, double click on the layers, click to normal and change this to soft light. You can also decrease the opacity from here. It is up to you how much you want. You can see the change now. Click here, select curves, it is RGB, and to bring a curve here, select blue and also bring a curve here, select red from here now and change it to how you want to see. Double click on layers, click here, select exposure, change these. You can see the changes now. Select layers. You can change the opacity from here. See the change. Now this is the final result.